Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the US dollar yen, I still think there's a very good likelihood this is the end of a wave C. If that is the end of a wave C, then this will end up continuing the downtrend, making lower lows, lower highs, probably eventually going all the way down and taking out this low. Because that's what happens when you have the end of an ABC correction, whether you're on the monthly, the 1 minute, or anything in between. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can actually start to see this first move down, which is a series of lower lows, lower highs for a 1. I still think there's a very good possibility that this has already ended a wave 2 at the 38%, and that this move up is actually just a correction to this last wave down, and that we will see a lower high, and most likely it will just keep on going down, probably all part of a bigger wave 3. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this to me looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up, like an ABC of 2. This move down definitely looks to me more like a trend than a correction, which is why I do believe that this move up could be a correction to this move down. We are at the 61.8 and we have turned down in a pretty good way. There's a chance that we may have already ended a correction, and if we have, it will continue the downtrend, making lower lows and lower highs. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it kind of looks like an A, B, C, D, E, and we did turn it to 61%. We did break structure to the downside. That's a pretty good sign that this really may be the end of a correction. If that is the end of a correction, then it probably will go up a little now, but it will make a lower high. So if you see a move to the upside, you see a lower high, I would definitely get in that trade because that could be a very good opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it down even more to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we have what looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down with a break of structure. So probably the next move is going to be up, which will be a correction to this move down, maybe like a 1 and an ABC of 2. But if you see 3 waves up and then an impulsive move down with a lower high, that is exactly what I want to see for my next entry to go short. Probably the beginning of a big wave 3 and a very nice entry to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.